Modi has put out post just now as the voting has commenced in the second phase in West Bengal, and I just quote what he's saying. PM in fact says, urging all to vote today and do record numbers and make democracy vibrant. In fact, remember last time also during the first phase, Prime Minister Modi put out that post early morning and requested people, and here again Prime Minister Modi of course upbeat with the first phase polling percentage, which is somewhere around 93%. And here again, Prime Minister Modi urging everyone to come out and cast their votes. Pallavi Ghosh is with us to give us more perspective on this. Pallavi, this second phase of 142 seats is a very crucial phase. This is the road to power, and Prime Minister Modi urging people to come out and cast their votes. Do you think this second phase will be able to match what first phase did?
Well, I mean, certainly the Election Commission is going to be watching the numbers. All of us are going to be watching the numbers. It was a staggering 93% as far as the first phase is concerned. Unprecedented voter turnout, despite the fact that it was extremely hot. And the second thing is that, yes, I mean, if you ask me politically speaking, Arun, of course, the BJP is going to look at this phase very, very closely, because the first phase is believed to have been traditionally, I mean, of late, a little stronghold of the BJP, which is where they did well last time round. This is seen to be the urban constituency where I'm standing at this point of time in Kolkata. You can just see the line over here. Normally they say about urban areas, people don't want to go out and cast their votes. That's not the scene over here in Kolkata. But we Bengalis are very politically, I would say, not just active, but also politically very, kind of understand, the power of a democracy. I mean, that it is our right. We need to go out and cast our vote. And whatever issues we may have, the issues are something which has to be settled as far as the ballot box is concerned. Let me just try and get one voice. They say that cities don't vote. Okay? Bole, the cities don't vote. But I'm seeing early morning Kolkata bheed ache.
Yeah, we all want to vote.
You all want to vote.
Yeah,
So what is it that you people
right.
vote for? I mean, don't name any political party, but when we go out and cast our vote in urban areas, because urban areas' problem are different from the rural areas, what is it that you people are going to cast?
Everyone wants development, that's all.
You want development.
Yeah.
What does development mean to you?
Development, overall, the civic facilities should be okay, education should be okay, health should be okay.
I can see a young voter. First-time voter? You're not a first-time voter. I want to get a young voter in. They say that Gen Z doesn't go out and cast their vote, and in urban areas, no one goes out and casts their vote. I see you early in the morning. What makes you cast your vote early in the morning?
Actually, I have a flight to catch very soon.
But you decided to vote before you catch the flight.
Yeah, that's how I decided to vote early and then catch a flight to work.
And what is it that you would vote for? Don't name any political party, but what is it that you vote for?
I would vote for a party which will focus on growth and industrialization.
Okay, so that's the buzzword, Arun. Growth, industrialization, job opportunities, chakri, as they say, that is going to be a very, very critical factor in the battle for Bengal. That is what the narrative the BJP is trying to push, that we can offer you jobs, we can offer you development. The Trinamool Congress says, just look at our report card, there has been development on the ground.
Pallavi, so BJP tapping into urban dissatisfaction, and it's interesting the kind of voices that you're tracking this morning. I do want to bring in Payal as well. Payal, if you could quickly run us through people who've queued up this morning to cast their vote. It's going to be extremely hot in the day, so we're expecting as many numbers in the morning itself. But the dissatisfaction in the urban community, is that something that you've also spotted all through your Bengal visit?
Well, of course, everybody wants infrastructure, everybody wants growth. That is something that you've seen. But look at the Festival of Democracy. Early in the morning, we are standing at this polling booth. You can see there are people lined up in multiple queues according to their booth preference. Paramilitary forces also being present over here in adequate amount, guiding people, especially senior citizens who have been queued up. Early in the morning, there are people who are from various regionalities as far as this constituency is really concerned, right from Gujaratis to Bengalis to, of course, people from the north. A lot of people have been queued up as well. Let's try and ask them a few questions. आप बताइए, आप सुबह सुबह वोट करने आए हैं, बंगाल इस बार क्या चाहता है? आपको किसी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का नाम नहीं लेना है?
नहीं, पार्टी का नाम नहीं, बट वी वांट टू वोट. देख रहे हैं ना, टर्न अराउंड इतना बढ़िया हो रहा है, यंगस्टर्स सब एक्साइटेड है. मेरे दोनों बच्चे फर्स्ट टाइम वोट दे रहे हैं, तो वो लोग श्रेयांश आदर्श का है, तो वो लोग फर्स्ट टाइम वोट दे रहे हैं. एवरीवन इज एक्साइटेड. हम चाहते हैं वोट देना और सबसे रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि सबको आना चाहिए वोट देने।
लोग कहते हैं कि अर्बन सिटीज में है जो लोग वोट करने नहीं आते। यहाँ हम देख रहे हैं कि सबकी मदर्स भी आई हैं, सबकी वाइफ भी आई हैं। कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है बंगाल के लिए?
बंगाल वोट दिस टाइम इट हैज़ मेड हिस्ट्री और फर्स्ट फेज में 90% अबव वोट गया है, तो आई थिंक सेकेंड फेज में भी सब यही चाहते हैं कि 90% प्लस वोट जाए और एवरीवन वांट्स के जो भी हो बेस्ट हो बंगाल के लिए, सो एवरीवन हैज कम टू वोट।
मैम, जो महिलाएं हैं बंगाल की, फॉर वुमेन व्हाट डज दिस इलेक्शन रियली मीन? You don't need to name any political party. Just what does these issues mean for women?
We need a change. Simple.
Anything else that you would like to add? What does this election mean for women, especially young?
Everything. Thank you.
Would you want to say something?
Yes, of course, safety first.
That is the need of the hour. मैम, आप सुबह सुबह वोट करने आई हैं, आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहती है जो लोग पहली बार वोट करने आए?
वोट जरूर देना चाहिए।
Well, of course, Arun, you can see, and Krithwin, you can see people have been queued up. There are young, there are old, there are senior citizens, all being guided into their booth by the... Are you a first-time voter? No. You're not. But this time, why are you out to vote?
Because we should, as always.
Any issues that the youngsters of the city want to really point out?
No, not at all.
You have anything to say about why you are out here to vote?
To vote, obviously, that's my democratic rights. I need to exercise. One vote matters. That's why I'm here.
Well, of course, people are expressing their emotions in very limited words, essentially saying that, you know, change is something they're looking at, Arun. Yes. A vote is important. Every vote matters. And people are also saying that, you know, they're trying to defy every logic which is being seen in Bengal with the turnout that you've seen in the first phase of election. People are obviously looking to, you know, beat that record of sorts. And I haven't seen this kind of early morning turnout for a long time in Bengal. Absolutely. Maybe people have decided that it is time to rise and shine.
Big lines, Payal, that we can see right now, and probably, of course, they want you know, some change, or because of the heat during the day. But stay with us. Kamalika is also there from Bhawanipur. Kamalika, what's the sense there in Bhawanipur? It's the fiefdom of Mamata Banerjee, and Shubhendu Adhikari is challenging her there in her backyard. What's the sense that you're getting?
No, that's what, that's what the strategy of BJP was. That's what we have been telling. To disturb Mamata Banerjee and to give challenge to Mamata Banerjee in her home turf. That is what was very important, and we have seen that the number of meetings Mamata Banerjee has done out here is more than as in comparison to the earlier years. But definitely this is the booth Mitra institution where a little time from now Abhishek Banerjee is expected to come to vote here. As Pallavi and Payal was also pointing out, there are a huge number of voters in every area, and this is what generally in Bengal the trend is, that people come and vote. But this time first phase has created history, and the second phase the people are really looking forward